Hello everyone, welcome to my kitchen, and today I'll be sharing with you my green juice recipe. So let's get started and I'll show you what's in that. So the star of the show today is going to be the juicing machine. So this is my juicer that I have here, and we'll go through the ingredients now. So I have in the salad spinner over here, I've got some red chard, and I've also got some romaine lettuce that I've cleaned, and I've got it in my little salad spinner here. And I've got one English cucumber, and I've got 6 carrots that I have scraped down the sides off of it and cleaned those by cutting the ends off of them. And I've got 1 lemon that I have peeled. And then I've got 1 Granny Smith apple that I have cored. And then I've got a mix of greens here. This is organic spring mix. And it's baby lettuces, a medley of those. Those are completely washed and ready to go. So let's get started and we'll put this together. So what we're going to do is we're going to start with the probably some of the greens first, and just kind of do a mixed medley of all of it, and then we'll be taking it out of the bowl here, putting it into a quart jar, and I'll mix it at the end there, and we'll take a look and see what we got. So I'll be gathering a little bit of piece of it. I will speed the film up so you can watch the process, and then we'll see how that works. All right, stay tuned. All right, there we have it. We have our juice, and I'm going to give that a taste. I did taste it about halfway through to see if I needed to do anything different with it. Everybody's taste is going to be a little bit different, so definitely try it as you go. You might want to add another apple if you want it a little bit sweeter. You might want to add some more carrots or cucumbers. It just all depends. So you can see I've used about 4 of the carrots. I did use 1 full size of the English cucumber. I did use the full lemon and the full apple. And then the other pieces of it is just a mixing of the, like I said, the red chard, the organic spring mix that I had here, and some romaine lettuce that I had. So definitely give this a try. I'm going to give it a little bit of a taste. It's very good. So let me know in the comments below how you like this, if you have a favorite recipe that you have of a juice, and I'd love to hear from you. Thank you so much, and enjoy my green juice recipe. Thanks. Bye-bye now.